एक बार फिर स्वागत है आपका चटपटी बातें आयुषी के साथ। सो टुडे आई एम बेसिकली हियर to tell you the most lost topic in this world nowadays, that is character. Yes, it is character matters. So let's see what we can do. In this age where we have social media influencers, TV celebrities, and so the subject of character have become increasingly urgent. We are living in a time where the character is dying. The words like humanity, commitment, honesty, etc. are really given a glance. Building character is a challenge where privacy is almost dead. Character is an internal effect and the ability to influence oneself. Don't rush behind building reputation, instead, run behind building your character. Because people will only remember your character, how you behave ethically, socially, etc. Here are some of the qualities of character. So, first is courage. I believe this is the most important aspect of the character. Always stand up for what is right. Be courageous. Take risk to improve yourself and the society around you. Have the courage to say, I am sorry when you are wrong. Both men and women show up courage, big or small, every single day, but the difference is you need to recognize it. Second is moderation. There should be a healthy balance in our ambition, appetite, work, and even guilty pleasures to build up good character. Next in the pipeline, we have honesty. This I don't need to say, I believe. The word itself describes one's character. Liars have to face many controversies, hence having compromised character. Next is empathy. When something goes wrong in the society, everyone sees and hears. But there are few who stand for right. Similarly, when you see and hear something, keep your stand in society to effect the positive change for them when necessary, which is a pillar of good character. Why wait for someone to stand? Let's start with yourself. There is a famous proverb, charity begins from home, where this proverb I think I usually mention in almost all of the podcast. So, this is the same case over here. Next is justice. Everyone knows what is wrong and what is right. When a girl is raped, everyone says very easily, this is injustice done to the girl, family, and society. But how many fights for justice? A handful of people? Not because they will get something, but because they have a sense of justice. They know justice matters and they have the courage to do and to say something that builds up a good character. Then we have decisions. This is very interesting. Many say easily that they are good leaders, but how many are actually being among them? This gets to know when they have to take final decisions and they are taking so long time, feels like a decade will pass, and that is not a quality of a good leader, I believe. So making quick decisions according to the situation, balancing both sides, builds up a good character. Last is perspective. This is the quality that rules over other quality, whether it is justice, empathy, decision, or any other. Perspective helps to achieve all those qualities. It directly impacts all others. Summing up all the qualities and using one word is integrity. So be a nice person of character and by reputation. Don't hesitate to be loud. Loud ones are always appreciated. At that time where this word is vanishing, let it be the you who brings this word back to the society. Do follow me on all social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Spotify, and Pinterest with the name Scholar IU to keep yourself updated.